Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to obtain Joyful Curse achievement in Heartopia. Okay, let's get into it guys. Basically, the Joyful Curse achievement is part of the bird watching hobby, and to unlock it, you need to trigger 3 bird waves in a single bird watching event. And first of all guys, make sure you already unlocked the achievement system in Heartopia, because achievements only become available after reaching DG level 15. And after that, you can join a bird watching event. You can either host one yourself or join other players event. You can see the bird watching event through the map. For example, this one, the current break bird event, and also this one by Bailey J, Nest of 100 event. And here is the important part guys. Bird waves trigger more easily when there are more players participating in the event, so it's highly recommended to do this with friends or in a busy server. And during the event, keep photographing birds continuously and stay active the entire time. Every time a bird wave appears, it will count toward the achievement progress. And you need to trigger a total of 3 bird waves within the same event session. Once the 3rd bird wave happens, the Joyful Curse achievement should unlock immediately. And after unlocking it, you will also get the feather title reward, as I shown you before. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the Joyful Curse achievement in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!